Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set lock screen pattern password on your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to lock screen and AOD. Lock screen and AOD. And here select screen lock type. And here select pattern. Draw the pattern that you want to set. Here I draw this pattern to set and click on continue. Again draw the same pattern to verify. Again I draw the same pattern to verify and click on confirm, and your pattern is now set. Okay, just click on done, and yes, pattern lock is set. Now go to home screen and lock your phone with this side key and try to unlock your phone. Yes, pattern is asked and I enter the pattern. Yes, it is working very well. So in this way you can easily set pattern lock screen password on your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.